Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for January 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow like na rin ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee, available ang mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see. Cancer. What's up for you ngayong January? You have the inner child. I think you will do fun things, no? You will rediscover yourself. Mga bagay na gusto mong gawin or tuparin ng bata ka pero hindi mo siya nagawa or hindi mo na-experience because of course, kulang sa resources. But I think ngayong January, you will heal your inner child. I feel like you're going to do more fun things. Yung mga bagay na kung saan ay mag-e-enjoy ka talaga. Yes. You also have rites of passage. This is a major transformation in your life. Things are changing. I feel like you will be focusing more on yourself. Minsan kasi you become so selfless, no? Ngayon naman, ngayong January, meron kang mga i-improve sa sarili mo, aayusin sa sarili mo. Yes, you are undergoing spiritual awakening. Ayan. So very spiritual for you ang January. I think this is about learning to love yourself, learning to heal your child, your inner child. Yung parang magiging parang you will let loose rin, you will loosen up. Minsan masyado kang seryoso to the point na parang lagi na lang challenges or problema yung hinaharap mo or yung inaasikaso mo or ibang tao yung inaasikaso mo. So this time, it's about you. Yes, yung iba sa inyo, you're going to be using different forms of divination. Meron kayong aaralin na bagong belief system or tools for divination na makakatulong sa inyo ng pagkilala pa sa inyong sarili. So your overall energy is the Two of Wands. So this is finally taking action pagdating sa iyong mga creative ideas. Some of you, opportunities sa ibang bansa, connections with other people. Pwedeng meron kang gustong i-pursue na project na nangangailangan ng connection sa ibang bansa. Yes, Page of Wands. Travel opportunities for some of you. Ito yung tipong gusto mong maglakbay because you want to get to know yourself better. Kasi sabi nga nila, diba, kapag daw nagta-travel ka, mas nakikilala mo yung sarili mo. So, I feel like you will be discovering more about yourself as you travel. Parang yung iba, kung nung mas bata kayo, wala kayo masyadong opportunities to explore other places. So, ngayon na meron ka ng resources, gusto mo na explore yung ibang mga places na hindi mo pa napupuntahan. And then, your challenge is the Chariot. And then, Nine of Wands. Okay. So, ang challenge lang dito is minsan, nagiging feeling guilty tayo sa mga pleasure na gusto nating ibigay sa sarili natin. So, pag ganon, huwag ka mag-guilty. Lalo na kung alam mong dinideserve mo talaga. Oo. So, maari kasing merong mga will try to gaslight you na kasi bakit mo yan ginagawa? So, sabihin, hindi mo na kami priorities, things like that. So, lang yan, it's a matter of letting them understand that you have your own life, meron kang sarili mong buhay, meron kang sarili mong desisyon, meron kang mga gustong i-pursue na passion na alam mo na dun ka magiging fulfilled. Okay? So, yun nga lang, medyo maging challenging ito sa inyo because of the people na nasanay na sa pag-aalaga ninyo. So, let's see your opportunity. Opportunity, Queen of Cups. This is about divine feminine. This is about taking care of your needs, taking care of yourself. What is the Queen of Cups? You have the Hanged Man. Minsan kasi may guilt ka pa rin, no? About pleasures that you do for yourself. But don't feel guilty about it. Lalo na kung alam mong you have done your part. Nakatulong ka na rin sa iba. And as an opportunity, I see you having more time with yourself. Pwede itong, may travel, merong relaxation, na kung saan mas makakapag-isip-isip ka ng malinaw. Oo, kasi the Hanged Man is having a different perspective in life. So, like what I mentioned kanina, very spiritual ang January for you, Cancer. Your blessing. Ano naman ang blessing? You have the Knight of Cups. Pwedeng merong romantic partner coming in, or merong makikipag-ayos. Pwedeng merong makikipag-ayos, makikipagbati sa'yo. Someone na merong authority over you na pwedeng naging harsh sa'yo. Like for example, parent na medyo naging harsh sa'yo. Lalo na kung ito ay umaasa sa'yo. Like, di ba sa kultura natin, normal yung may mga parents na umaasa sa mga anak nila. I feel like yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng challenges, conflict with your parents. Dahil, iisip mo rin naman, parang halimbawa minasama nila, yung pagbibigay mo rin ng reward sa sarili mo. Minsan ganun yan yung tinatawag na toxic Filipino traits sa family, no? But, I feel like, merong realization yung yung parents mo or someone in your life na tinake for granted ka, or hindi nila nakita yung value ng pagtulong mo sa kanila. So I feel like you will reconcile with someone. And some of you talaga, you will focus on discovering more about yourself. Like, deeper understanding of yourself. Yung iba rin, you will have your own mentor. Someone na mag-coach sa'yo, mag-guide sa'yo sa spiritual path na yan. And, parang like, a teacher, trainer. Some of you meron ding opportunity to learn, like, to go to school, to enroll sa isang short course or online course. Meron ka mga susubukan sa business. Pwedeng mag-experiment ka sa business, or meron kang gustong subukan sa trabaho mo, na isang project. Let's see, ano pa. So, pagdating sa cash flow, medyo hinay-hinay sa paggastos, no? Oo. So, kailangan daw, very detailed yung decision making ninyo. Hindi siya yung tipong bahala na si Batman sa pagdedesisyon pagdating sa pera, lalo na kung malaking pera yan. And something better awaits for you, like an opportunity sa yung trabaho, sa yung career. Ito na yung miscalculation. So, yun nga. Taking responsibility for your mistakes. Maaring yung iba, meron kayong ma-miscalculate na decision sa finances ninyo. Lalo na kung medyo magiging careless kayo, no? Kaya, kung meron kang gustong subukan, make sure na well-calculated siya. Yung hindi masyadong risky. Okay? Lalo na pinag-uusapan ay kaperahan. So, sa love life naman, let's see, love life ng mga Cancer. Meron ka i-let go. Focusing on self-love. I'm seeing yung iba, meron kayong passionate connection sa isang kaibigan na posibleng na-realize ninyo na it's not gonna work for you. So, you will just focus on yourself. Minsan ganun may mga na-in love sa friend nila, and they realize na it's not good for the relationship, for the friendship, and eventually, nila let go. Okay? Abandon unsympathetic environments for your true element. Yes. So, ito yung mga connections, community, or circle of friends na you feel na hindi na kayo kumbaga na-outgrow nyo na yung friendship, yung connections. You feel like you're a totally different person, same with them. So, parang gusto mo na i-isolate yung sarili mo or umalis sa ganong situation na sa tingin mo is hindi na kayo nagre-resonate sa isa't isa. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Cancer. See you again.